Hello, it's Hussein, and today I'm gonna talk about the exponential function. The exponential function is one of the most important functions in mathematics, though it would have to admit that the linear function ranks even higher in importance. To form an exponential function, we let the independent variable be the exponent. A simple example is a function of fx equal to x. As illustrated in the above graph of f, the exponential function increases rapidly. Exponential functions are solutions to the simplest types of dynamical systems. For example, an exponential function arises in simple models of bacteria growth. It also can describe growth or decay. The function of gx equal half per x is an example of exponential decay. It gets rapidly smaller as x increases, as illustrated by its graph. In the exponential growth of fx, the function doubles every time you add 1 to its input x. In the exponential decay of gx, the function shrinks in half every time you add 1 to its input x. The presence of this doubling time or half-life is characteristic of exponential function, indicating how fast they grow or decay.